Release the Kraken! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's pretty windy out here, but I think you should be able to hear me. I'm on the coast. We're actually up at the north coast. Have some of my pigeons. It's been a while since I show you guys the pigeons, but the pigeons are there. I have been flying them a bit these days. I'm not doing most of the work. My son is doing most of the work. These are actually second-year pigeons. You can see how beautiful this wing is. Just look at this guy. Whoo! I'm going to give them a fly today. Yeah, he's all finished. Look at him. Really beautiful bird. Yeah, I'm going to be giving them a fly today. I just wanted to show you. I named all of them. If I remember what they're named, these two are Statsky and Hutch, the two brothers. I think this is Statsky. I'm not sure. I'll have to check the data, but look at the eyes on him. He has such a beautiful eye. Can you see the eyes? He has such a beautiful eyes. He's finally become a man. Let me show you the other one. So this is Statsky and Hutch. If you can't tell the difference, I can't tell either. They're both blue check. Really beautiful birds. It's their second year. Hey, wait a minute. I say nice things about you. Just look at him. Really good mates. Really good chest. They're both brothers. They're brothers actually from the same batch or breeding. We're going to fly them in a while. Come on now. So yeah, you know, my pigeons have been doing good. I have some renovations doing. That's why I didn't show you guys much of the pigeons lately. But the pigeons are here. Say hello. I want to show you one of the whites. So these whites, although they're racing pigeons, I'm going to use them as white doves. Going to put them in funerals and celebrations. But you see this one has the orange eye. So he comes off with a nice racing father. He's a pure white. Not a speck, not a speck. Beautiful birds. Really good feather. Really good chest on them. It's okay, it's okay. I think this one name is Cloud. I named one Cloud, one name Ghost. But let me check to see. So if you see the difference, this one here is Ghost. It's okay, boy. See that black eye? Really dark eye. He's of a El Gringo. And Cloud on the other hand with that orange eye. They're both pure whites. But the eye color tells a different tale. He's the smallest. They beat him up a lot, so his wings a bit shabby. It's okay. I think they want to go. So I put them in a big box. Due to copyright, I don't want the name of the box to be there. But they're in the back of my truck in a big box. I'm going to try to release them. So, release the Krakens! You're supposed to fly for that. Nobody's flying out. Take two. Release the Kraken! Let me show you now. So they're going to circle a bit. It's only 6 of them. They're gone. I thought they were going to circle a bit. But we're all the way up in the north of the island. Yeah, there they are. They're circling a bit. No, they're already going down. I see either start ski or hutches in the front. Okay, now they're circling back. Eh. They're gone. There goes my circling. That's the fastest. Well, that went better than planned. I thought they would circle a bit, but they're going down the road, trying to find their bearings. I think they're out of sight now. Anyways, the birds left much faster than I thought. I thought they'd circle a few times, but they didn't. So I'm going to go head up the road to do some business. And they'll be home by the time I get home. Subscribe to the channel. The sun is right over my head. Hopefully you can see my face. I have to wear the squingy eye. Let me know what you think about the squad. I've downsized with the racing pigeon, but they're doing really good. They're doing good. Let me know. Leave a comment. Hit the like.